So I can see the chat. Unless this shows me the chat. No, it doesn't, does it? Select stream, sign out, chat rate. Shows me everything but the, yeah, no, useless thing. I'm good, man. How are you, Jack? How have you been? Let me listen. Oh yeah, let me turn the music down a tiny bit. Right, let me get the link. Post this, and we're absolutely golden. Bot. Post. Don't need the thing. Right, okay. YouTube chat up, Discord chat up, and we're good to go. Let's go for it. So, let's go over last week. I feel like there's some trades some people took that I didn't take. Good, man. Just working at each day. Good. Lytix, Wayfarm. I don't know how many of you guys trade my Baldwin. I know you do, I'm pretty sure. What trades did you guys take last week? Did any of you guys take anything apart from EN? Or was it just the EN trade? That was it. Did you guys take anything unique at all? Because I know there was... Actually, I don't know. I can't remember, to be honest. I feel like there was... Okay, just EN. A missed gold. Okay. Yeah, the gold break retest was a bit of a bastard, wasn't it? It missed by like 40 pips, which isn't much for gold. So yeah, last week... Oh yeah, let me get rid of what's that? Yeah, only trade I took was EN. That was a really nice trade. We do actually have EN and GN. I mean, GN's valid for tomorrow. EN, not too sure because it's pretty much there. But obviously EN sells from this level, which worked well, pretty nice. I think it was this fib. Had both fibs. This was the 50, and I feel like it had, yeah, the big 38 here, and it also had the 50 there. So it was really nice. And yeah, of course, that worked really nice. Did a quick pullback and then like a deeper retracement into level and another pullback. So could have got in twice. But yeah, that worked nice. And apart from that, there was GU, which obviously tapped on Thursday and missed. That was some data. I can't remember what data came out, but data came out anyway. And yeah, it missed. So that was a really nice one. That was the big fib. Sorry for all the lines, by the way. I'm still doing back testing. Is GU done? Yeah, I think I've finished GU. Did I finish GU? Yeah, I did finish GU. Okay, I can get rid of this. I'm doing like all of 2023 for pretty much all pairs. GU has gone really well. GJ's gone really well. EN has gone terribly. Don't know why. Do not know why yet, but I need to re-go over it to be honest. But yeah, anyway, this big 38 fib is gone. And that was about it really. GJ, I also had this little 61. Wasn't the nicest, I can't lie. It's very, very messy at the minute, GJ's price action. But this 61 was looking nice. 192 psych level, EMA, 61 fib. It's just 50 pips. I mean, it did cover it, but it only covered the EMA by like 10, which is a bit of an annoying one, but I think it's still valid. Apart from that, I mean, that break retest has worked. You have obviously this level up here, and then you have like this level up here. I mean, these are miles away, so not really bothered about them, to be honest. So yeah, that's it. I don't really see anything on GJ. Yeah, that's valid. We only got 61 fib unless we break this high, which, I mean, we could then maybe have the 38. Yeah, it's not too good. Wasn't able to join, please. You have joined right now, so I think you're able to join. Yeah, GJ, don't really have anything apart from a 61, so yeah, that's it. Let me mark this as a box rather than a position. That is the zone. So yeah, GJ buys is for next week, if obviously we push down, which might do, might not. GU, obviously this 38 fib has gone now, so yep. We do have the 50 little break retest, which is 70 pips. Don't really like it. These are levels, yes. If we have alignment, then yes, sure. But on its own, I'm not really that fond of it, to be honest. That's obviously not. Yeah, no, that's not good. Was that a 61 actually? Oh no, never mind. Nowhere near. Yeah, not massively fond of that level to be honest. But if we do have some sort of alignment or something else, then yeah, sure, I'll give it a go. For sells, I'm not looking for anything apart from this break retest, which is a 61. I'm pretty sure. Depends where you take it from. I mean, yeah, that's fine from there. Yeah, so that's it for GU is the 61 break retest. That's all I'm looking at. And yeah, of course, potentially this. We won't take the 38. I mean, to be fair. Oh shit, 100 pips to be fair. It's 80. Don't know. I don't know. On 4 hour, it's more clear. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, it's only done that. It's done the 80, which, I mean, yeah, it's completely valid, because... Yeah, I see what you're saying. I'll mark it out. I don't know. Don't know if I like it or not. It does have the 38 level. I don't know, just because it's 80 pips. I mean, if this was GJ, yeah, completely fine, because it'd be like fucking 150 pips. If you say it like that, you are not going to take it. I don't, yeah, no. I think I'd rather not take it. I don't think I'll take it now. I don't think I will take it. Unless we have alignment, then yes, it makes it a lot nicer. But on its own, yes, it's a valid level, obviously, but I don't like it at all. I think still, I mean, well, it's technically done what, that 80. If this was GJ and it's done like 150, then yeah, sure, but I don't know. I don't like that personally. But yeah, if we see alignment or, I don't know, GN comes to a level at the same time, or like, you know, NU, AU, whatever it is, then yeah, I will consider it. But on its own, I don't think so, no. I'd rather wait for the bigger break retest. GA has sort of just cruised in the middle of nowhere. I don't really see anything, to be honest. You've got... that level is terrible. Yeah, no, there's nothing at all. Nothing. This fib, yeah, valid. 50 lines up with this mess, which is, again, mess. Because you got this level, you got this level, you got this level. So it is a little bit of an awkward one. You'd have to take it from the top, if anything. And hopefully it doesn't reject from here or from here. So, yeah. 61's really nice, actually. 61's clean. So that's definitely a valid level. I'll mark that out. That's if we ever get there, though. So, yeah, we'll see. Probably nothing next week. GN, this is a level C. This looks similar to GU, but this is 130. A lot more convincing. I think that looks a lot more clean. Way cleaner compared to GU. I think, and this has obviously got alignment because you got EN as well as GN. So this makes it a little bit nicer. EU. I'll go over EU once I've gone over these because I don't really trade EU. It just moves very, very slow compared to GU. Not very, very slow, but slower than GU. You have this level, which is break and retest, which has worked. And I mean, it's only done 60 now, so I'm not really interested. But that could still give, I reckon, because it's a 61. It's pretty nice. But yeah, mainly looking at the 50. That's pretty much my only zone I'm watching, to be honest, on GN. Obviously, you've created this. This could be nice. And you got a low. Don't know what that was for. Yeah, that's it. Literally nothing else on GN. I don't know what news. I've not even checked news yet, actually. Is it going to be valid or not? Let's see. That is correct. Monday is fine. We have a lot of bank holidays. USD, CAD, and JPY bank holiday. Tuesday, 7 AM. Got pound news, CAD, enter D. Got pound CPI on Wednesday. That'll be big. Employment data. Okay, Thursday's quite busy. Friday's not that bad. Well, retail sales actually at 7 a.m. After that, it'd be fine though. Okay, so it's not too bad. Monday will be a bit slow, but we'll see what happens. CAD, USD, and JPY bank holiday. Good job. This is none of them. So GN could be a nice play. So could EN. We'll see which one moves. Maybe EN controls it and EN does the move before GN. But yeah, I'm just not really willing to go for that, considering it's going to be pretty much at market open, most likely, unless we see a bit of a gap to the upside. Yeah, so GN 50 fib looking nice. EN, see, this is a bit of a weird one that I don't really like. That break retest, I don't know why I don't like it. It's just, well, I do know why I don't like it. It's because the break retest wasn't created within this move, but it doesn't have to be. I don't know, because it was like created in the separate move, like over here. If it was created within, let's say, this move up, that'd be way nicer. But because it's like a, I don't know, I just don't like it. Even though I've taken trades like that before, I just don't. However, this could be nice though, because I mean, if we do see GN take charge, then your entity could potentially do drawdown on this and react from this level. Because this is what, 80 pips away. GN is about, yeah, 60 to 80 pips, 60 to 70 away. So this could actually be the nicer one, the 50 break retest. But then obviously I'd rather take GN because I prefer this setup anyway, and this level is much nicer, I'd say. I mean, that break retest is pretty clean. But yeah, on EN, that's all I see really. I don't think anything else currently lines up. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, nope. I mean, you could draw that fib as well if you wanted to, which again, nothing lines up. And then the buys, there's nothing else. So yeah, that's it. I'd rather take GN, definitely. Euro Aussie, again, it's doing similar price action to Euro and to D. We've had, no, it isn't. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. We've had this move up and created fuck all levels. There's nothing really there for buyers apart from waiting for this low, which obviously for fib at least, there's going to be absolutely nothing. But levels, we do have obviously this, but this won't be valid until we break this low. Talking about fibs at least. We have this big ass fib, which, yeah, obviously it's not going to line up, so we'd have to draw this most recent fib, which is this one. So I'd have to break the low, and then we'd have the 61 potentially, which is probably going to be like a week or two away at minimum. So apart from that, I don't really see anything on EA. So going to be a bit of a slow one. GJ, GU maybe, GN, EN this week. Gold, let's cruise down to the 4 hour. Don't even see anything on the 4 hour, to be honest. You've got all these levels, which I don't really like, to be honest, apart from the high, obviously. Then you've got this, and you've got these shitty levels. So I wouldn't really take any of them. I'd just be waiting for the high. And obviously on the 4 hour, I'm looking at the more significant-ish levels. I won't look at the 4 hour the same as I look at the daily. Like, obviously, if this was the daily, these would probably be valid levels. But I don't know. I think with the 4 hour, I prefer looking at the ones with a tiny little bit more structure. So, I mean, you had these two break retests, which both worked, which I did not take. This one missed, and this one, I'm pretty sure it was news. So, I mean, that was completely valid. But yeah, if you wanted to be a bit of a degen, you could obviously go for, you've got that. This break retest is a bit awkward. You got that, you got that, you've got that. If we whack a fib on, if you whack a fib on, none of them line up. They're all a little bit awkward. I don't know. I mean, technically, no. The 61 maybe in the 23, but I don't really see. Yeah, no, I'm okay. Yeah, it's just a big break retest, which obviously is missed, but if we saw a strong move into it, it could still obviously be an option. Oh, sorry, daily on gold. Again, I don't really see much. You got the high, which, I mean, could give a go, but I think 2700 is probably nicer. Yeah. DXY, I mean, this is just marking out levels just to see what happens, to be honest. mainly for alignment. So again, you've got like that. I guess you do have the break retest, which is more of a wide zone because you got this as well. Yeah. And then S&P 500 broke to the upside. Yeah. S&P short, I don't have a clue. That's just pure fundamental base. I know obviously Seb's in like fat shorts at the minute. Yeah. That's all based on the elections and stuff. That's why he's short S&P. Because he's done research with previous elections and also S&P and gold. Is it S&P and gold? Yeah, S&P and gold are at all-time highs, which shouldn't happen. They shouldn't correspond, basically. Yeah, if you've seen gold at all-time highs and S&P at all-time highs, they never stay at all-time highs for too long. So we're going to go short tomorrow. I mean, you can, sure, but you're going to be holding that trade for a while, so I'm okay. I'm going to stay out of that one. But you can, sure, yeah. Right, okay, let's go through some other little things. EU. Wanted me to cover EU. That level worked. Was that on... Oh, that was on Friday, never mind. But, I mean, it still worked. And then that's it. Break retest worked. If you would have taken a little news trade. But, yeah, no, I don't really see anything. Yeah, nothing at all, really. Absolutely nothing. Nothing's changed on EU. This could be a nice level. Probably not pips wise. Yeah, 47 pips. No chance. You gotta be trading with like a 20 stop loss. I'm okay. Not trading EU. But yeah, they're the levels. I'll quickly go through and draw some levels just so we don't end this live stream after 20 minutes. Because the analysis is pretty damn quick now. Jesus, GCAD has pushed up high. Was that news, that break retest? Or did it even align with anything? You had the fib like 30. I mean, bit awkward with that, isn't it? Oh, it was news. Tapped at 8 and you had news at 1. Probably wouldn't have gone for that. So yeah, there's nothing there. I just see the low and the high. Guess you got that. Yeah, that's it. Pound Swiss. Ugh. What is that? Nope. On to the next. Jesus. Euro Swiss. Disgusting. Euro USD. Nope. Euro CAD. Again, there's nothing there. Oh my god, this week's going to be a slow week. I hope that GM works. GN and GU, please. And GJ. Otherwise, it's going to be boring. Nope. Yep. EJ. There's nothing there. What the hell? I don't see anything there either. I mean, actually I do. Tell a lie. I mean, that's one for... Okay, never mind. I do lie. I mean, that would be the fib. Yeah, so you got the 50. Which were 50 stop loss. Yeah, you could go for that. So yeah, EJ, you got the 50. You know what, I'll draw them as zones just to see, like, when we come back to it next week, because I won't probably check these. Just to see. Euro GBP, nope. Aussie Swiss, not really, no. I'll just mark out a few levels, why not? That break retest, oh my god, that break retest worked. You got that. Aussie dollar CAD, again. It's a bit boring now because that probably was a level and it's been, well, it's missed. You got these little levels here. 30 pips. Nope. What's this? AU. There's nothing there. 60 pips, that break retest. I mean, yeah, sure, but you'd have to use a very small stop loss, like 30 again. Break retest looks clean. That looks nice. I don't know if it's going to line up with don't know if that's going to be valid. Yeah, it is actually. Fair enough. 50 break retest, that's beautiful. If anyone trades any of these pairs. 38 is also really nice. Do that. They're both nice. Yeah, that's actually really nice. Both of them, fair play. Aussie dollar JPY. Again, you've got that weird level here. You've got this level down here. Fib, big fib. Nope, nothing there. NZD Swiss. That's pretty vile. Delete these. I'll redraw them with the new stuff. Big break retest. That. You got this big wick here. 87. Never mind. I mean, 87 isn't the worst. That's it. And you. Don't have a clue what's going on here. Let's just delete all this and redo it. Does anyone trade any other pairs apart from the ones I trade? Have you guys like added any pairs to your watch list at all? Or are you just sticking with the ones I'm using for now? Because I'd very much encourage you guys to like do some testing. If you guys, you know, previously liked NU, carry on trading NU. Don't just stop because I've stopped. Like do some back testing. What I'm going to do, obviously I'm back testing like 2023 for pretty much most pairs. I'm doing the ones that I currently trade. See the stats. I can add in GCAD. Yeah, quite a few people trade GCAD. Go for it. Do some testing. See if GCAD works. Well, actually, one thing that's annoying is you can't properly trust the data. Because, for example, my data for Euro NZD, like over the past few weeks / months, has been actually pretty nice. The levels have been nice. They've worked. But then, for some reason, my back testing of Euro NZD, I mean, it was purely because of this move down. I got destroyed, missed, destroyed, and then destroyed. Apart from that, it was like a win, loss, win. Like, I got a shit ton of wins. Apart from this, like, these two moves down, for some reason, destroyed me. Another win. Don't know if that was a win. Pretty sure that's a win. Yeah, of course it is. You can see it. It's like the data on your NZD is pretty bad. GU is really good. GJ is really good. This is really bad, but like my actual trading has been pretty damn good with it. So it's weird. So you can't properly just go off all the data, but you can get like a rough guideline, I think. GCAD, not GCAD, NCAD. Right, retest. So you got this level now. I mean, that's pretty much it. Yep. NJ. Oh my god, that is not very nice at all. It's been ranging for like 3 weeks. 2 weeks. What on earth? Vile. I mean, you got a... No. USD CAD. I'm guessing that didn't work. Nope. Was that 45? That one got smoked. That has not had a bearish candle. I mean, that's only 8 days, to be fair. See you later, Lytex. We're pretty much done anyway. We're just quickly going over a few other little things. Break retest. Yeah, that break retest is beautiful. I'll mark that out. Again, not looking to take this, by the way. This is just things, just levels. Yeah, UJ. I mean, that's a level. Nope. Come on, Leon. That's a level. That's a fucking hell. That's a level. And fib. No, they're both awkward. So yeah, that's about it, really. These are all ugly pairs. Why is everything so disgusting at the minute? Yeah. I mean, it's pretty much done. Silver? No, that missed. There's 50. There's a 61. Both missed. What about oil? Let me check. break retest worked. Don't know if that lined up with fib. Let's see. Yeah, 50 fib break retest worked really nice. That's about it. Only just seen a notification. God. Slacking. Big time. Got to start again now. Basically, I'll quickly go over. GJ, potentially 61 fib buy. GU, maybe 38, probably not. 61 fib sell. Nothing on GA. GN, 50 fib. EN is currently at the 38 fib, probably going to open at there, but I'm potentially predicting that it could break and go to the 50, and then that'll align with GN. And apart from that, that is literally it. It's a pretty boring week unless these play out. Yeah. Right, that's about it. Do I have anything to tell you guys? Not really. You defo come in. Beautiful. Oh yeah, actually, you know what? I'll tell you guys this. I'll do an actual announcement, but obviously I'm doing the marketing and a bunch of stuff. I'm working with FXC at the minute, which is obviously they have a trading floor, which is just outside of Warrington, which is just outside of Manchester in the UK, and they're doing an open day on the 24th of this month in like, not the Thursday coming, the week after. And obviously I'll be there and the team will be there. Then there'll be a bunch of influencers also there, like filming content and shit. There'd probably be about anywhere from 30 to 60 people, I reckon-ish. Hopefully we're changing a bunch of stuff on the trading floor, so that should be fun. Like adding a pool table and racing sim setups and a PlayStation and all that stuff, so it'll be like a bit more chill. We're going to do some competitions, giveaways, little trading competition, tournament things, little Q&As, debates. We'll go grab lunch together, film some content, and then at like 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, we're going to one of Seb's businesses called The Armory. So basically a massive warehouse with like axe throwing, archery, shooting range, like some gladiator beam fighting thing. Just a bunch of like piss about stuff. So it's completely free to come to. And also the trading floor, like now, you don't have to trade FXC to be on the floor. So if you guys are close to Manchester and you want to like come to the floor, obviously you got to pay for the subscription, but you can trade any strategy you want. It's more like, think of it like a co-working space just for traders. That's what the floor is more about now. Not you don't go there to like learn how to trade type thing. You go there, I mean, you technically can learn how to trade whilst you're there, but you go there to speak to other traders, technically learn from other traders, chill, trade. You can go and do some work there, whatever it is you want to do. So if you have like, if you're self-employed and you know you need a PC and you hop on calls and stuff, you can come to the floor and do that stuff. But yeah, there's already I think 4 people from MCR come in. So Hemo, if you, I think it's JJ, Tux, fuck, what's his name? Another guy. 3 guys, okay, and me. And maybe you, Hemo. So yeah, I think Tux is driving like 4 hours as well, which is crazy. 4 hours. But also if you are driving from like far away, for example, I said to Tux, if he wants to stay over the night, like close by in Manchester, then on the Friday we can go and do something if you want. If you want to fly there to come, you're more than welcome, mate. Thursday you can do the open day, and then Friday we can go out, go into Manchester, do some stuff. Okay. Yeah, you're more than welcome. So yeah, Hemo, if you're driving far or whatever, you're more than welcome to like stay over somewhere close. And then we can do something on the Friday. Just, I don't know, go out for lunch and do something fun or whatever. Alright, fat sound. Okay, you're not that far then. But yeah, little meet and greet. What? Yeah. Right, sound. Yeah, right, YouTube, peace out. Sorry, I'm just blabbering on now. Peace out, YouTube.